Today we want to find the most frequent value, the most frequent numbers. So from statistical point of view, we want to find dominant. And it's quite easy task in Excel, but it has some nuances. It's easy because Excel has mode function, and we can use to find just single dominant, single most frequent value, mode single, or older version of this function, just mode function, because basically they are the same function. We can use shorter function with a shorter name, and we have to just select ranges with numbers, and Excel will calculate for us the most frequent number. But we have to remember, when we are using mode function or mode single function, that Excel will return just one number. So we're not sure if it's only this number appears most frequently. What do I mean? We can use mode multiple function to find out that in our example, two numbers are the most frequent numbers, 5 and -1, and mode single function will return the first of those numbers. So in our example, 5 occurs as first. So when I will change the order of these numbers, you can see that now mode single function returns -1 number, -1 value. Multiple function, mode function will return two numbers, but in different order. So we have to remember about this possibility that more than one number can occur the same number of times, the most frequent number of times. And we should remember that when we calculate the most occurring number, when there isn't any, the mode function will return an error. So for example, with wages, each of wages is here just once, so there isn't any most frequent numbers. So the Excel don't know which number is the most frequent, because there isn't any most frequent numbers. So use mode function to find the dominance in Excel.